General Francis Ogolla uyobeteka usiria obimo bwaye gwetera asimu basikono gwendege wiki yaita nabaga kweniwa rituko lya rero asenga igotoka ngia village ibyo gotoka ase county ya Siaya abarai ao banyara kwa bawikira naroro ase banyara kwa bakumulira Ogosira na batyabuna nigo arinke omuntu gukora igasi no mukia abayigo niga bwate umanyi bwigoro mono toguchakira omuseneta we county yo Oburudinga anyara kubaga kumurira Ogosira na gotana omuntu bwanchite igasi yaye kebwikiranu na bayigo omugabana we county James Orengo anyara kubaga kuburia omu president gorwari bagada benda gucyase baria banchwari tuchokora ubutuki igoro Ogosira kwaye Francis Ogolla irinde banyara kuba bakorokia teneninga naki abete kuba kagusiria obugema wati anyara kuba tokonyora oroboti oru kebwikiranu.
Was an accident, but even though it is an accident, in this region we have had many such accidents, and we have also had assassination of leaders from this region. So when such things happen, we are a bit suspicious, not because of anything, but we want to know the truth. We want to know the truth. And I want to ask our uncle, the general's son, not to be impatient with us. It is not because of anything. It is just because once beaten, twice shy. So we are asking for no stones to be left unturned, and let us know the truth of who killed our uncle, General Ogolla. He died too soon, and we are a bit shaken by his death. And you people know, we lost Tom Boyer in very tragic circumstances. We lost Ouko in very tragic circumstances. And when we lost Ouko, I was part and parcel of the team of parliament which was investigating the death of Ouko. And I can tell you it was very sad, because the regime at that time managed to convince the family to be very protective and not to allow people to go into details. So young man, please just allow investigators to do their work.
We have mourned many times, and that's why sometimes people mistake us. We have mourned many times, and we have mourned heroes. We mourned Arguing Skodek, we mourned Tom Boyer, we mourned Dr. Uko, we mourned Odhiambo Mbai, and today we are mourning General Ogolla. I therefore plead with anybody who is here, you must allow Kenyans to mourn their heroes the way they can. I just hope that this time around, we will, with the investigations which are undergoing, will come to the final conclusion and outcome of how this happened. And I was taught in investigations. Your Excellency, I was a lead lawyer in the Ouko trial. In the Ouko trial, there were many investigators, international, FBI, and Scotland Yard. And the first rule in investigations is that you don't rule anything out. If you want to carry a true investigation, don't leave anything out. So we want to be assured that nothing will be left out, so that the truth comes out. The truth comes out. As General Ogolla rests here, I beg you, Your Excellency, that let General Ogolla not be buried in doubt, and the lingering doubt. And I was in Bomas of Kenya. I was there. I was not an agent, but I managed to go there. The lingering doubt is that there is this allegation that General Ogolla went to Bomas to try and change the elections. If you accuse Orengo of me, you can accuse me. I can plead guilty. I know even when I went there, I was just overpowered. I was just overpowered.